Searching for a quick, healthy, and satisfying meal? Today, I am going to show you how to whip up an easy chicken salad that is perfect for a busy lunch or a light dinner. Here is everything you will need: 2 cups of cooked chicken, fresh lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, avocado, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Let us start by giving all the fresh vegetables a good wash and then chopping them into bite-sized pieces for the perfect crunch. Next, take your cooked chicken and dice it into pieces that are easy to grab with a fork. Now, grab a large salad bowl and start by laying down a generous base of fresh, crisp lettuce. Go ahead and add the half cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, red onion, and those creamy avocado chunks. It is time for the star of the show. Toss that diced chicken right into the bowl with all the colorful veggies. For the dressing, we are keeping it bright and simple by whisking together some olive oil and fresh lemon juice. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper to really bring out the natural flavors. Slowly pour that light, zesty dressing over the top, making sure it reaches every part of the salad. Give everything a gentle toss so that the flavors meld together perfectly without bruising the greens. If you want a bit more richness, feel free to top your bowl with some extra slices of fresh avocado. Serve your beautiful creation immediately while it is fresh, vibrant, and ready to be enjoyed. If you love this healthy lunch idea, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy homemade recipes every single week.